In this video we're going to find the angle between two lines. So in this diagram here I have two lines crossing each other and I want to find this acute angle here. Okay, so if it's an acute angle we know it's going to be less than 90 degrees. Here is our formula that we use. It's in our logbooks, we don't actually learn it off by heart. M1 stands for the slope of one of the lines, M2 stands for the slope of the other. The tan of theta is this angle. Okay, it can also be the obtuse angle. We'll get to that in a minute. Right, so all we do is we get the slope of both lines and we put them into this formula. Right, so here's our question. Find the acute angle between the lines y equals 2x plus 5 and 3x plus y equals 7. Okay, so I need the slope of both lines. The first thing I'll do is I'll put down my formula. So tan of theta equals m1 minus m2 all over 1 plus m1 multiplied by m2, and that is plus minus. Okay, so tan theta equals plus minus m1 minus m2 all over 1 plus m1 multiplied by m2. Right, let's get the slope of these then. So the slope of this, it's already in the form y equals mx plus c, so the slope equals 2. This is not in the form y equals mx plus c, but we can easily get it in that form. Just by manoeuvring it around a bit. We have y equals minus 3x plus 7, so the number in front of the x is minus 3, so minus 3 is the slope. Right, so I call that m1, I call that m2. Okay. We'll throw it into this formula. So the tan of theta equals plus minus m1, which is 2 minus 3 all over 1 plus 2 multiplied by minus 3. So I have tan of theta equals plus or minus 2 minus 3 is positive 5, and then 1 plus 2 multiplied by minus 3 is minus 6. So tan of theta equals plus or minus 5 over minus 5. So the tan of theta equals plus or minus 1. So splitting that up, the tan of theta can equal plus minus 1, which is minus 1, or the tan of theta can equal minus 1, which is plus 1. If we get the tan of 1, we get 45 degrees, which is our acute angle. So we found it. If we get the tan of minus 1, we get minus 45 degrees. Now what's this? This minus 45 degrees. We can't have a minus angle. However, if you put down 180, take a minus 45 degrees, put it there, that will give us 135. That is the obtuse angle. Okay. So, for instance, if this is our two lines, here's our 45 degree, our acute angle. This angle here is our obtuse one. Okay, and going by our rules in geometry, opposite angles, this is also 45. This is also 135.